Hi guys, Darren from Venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluidart Express. Right, today I'm just going to have a bit of fun and make up some cool stuff. So here's some tunes, kick back, relax and enjoy the ride.
Ago, something beautiful could take a hold of your world, lead you down that road where you'd never go. Who could have seen or believed it turned out like this? What seemed perfect, what felt right would be such a mess. And if you forget, what you got left. When you're feeling low, I can lead you home. See the light, there's no turning back. Feel the hope, go on, take a step. I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. Through the night I will carry you, hand in hand what you're walking through. I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. Oh, I see the light. If you're tired, if you're weak, keep on looking up. Fight the fight and you'll see that you're far from done. And if you need someone, it's not over yet. Give what you got left. When it feels unfair, know that I'll be there. See the light, there's no turning back. Feel the hope, go on, take a step. Go on, take a step. I see it, I see it, oh, I see the light. Through the night I will carry you, hand in hand what you're walking through. I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. Oh, I see the light. Oh, I see it. Oh, I see the light. Oh, I see it. Oh, I see the, I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. It's not over yet. Oh, I see the light. Tonight I will carry you, hand in hand what you're walking through. I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. Oh, I see the light.
We don't need scars just to know we're human. We can let the world just tell us so. Light ourselves up when we're out of luck. All of the love in me was an illusion, until you made my world come loose down. Turned me around when I had enough. And I know now that I'm not safe now without you. Without you, we can be the stars of our show. We can be the ones on the road. Put our names up, watch them fall, fall. Not above a match, watch it blow. Take my hand through it all. Together we can face fire and smoke, fire and smoke. Now that I found you, I ain't gonna lose you. 'Cause it's a hard world that we're facing, love. Gotta hold on to what we got. Together we can be more than superhuman, destroying anything with just one touch. We can never say that we had enough. Do you see now where we can be right now? Together, together. We can be the stars of our show. We can be the ones on the road. Put our names up, watch them fall, fall. Not above a match, watch it blow. Take my hand through it all. Together we can face fire and smoke, fire and smoke. I'm gonna let you know now that you're falling. And my back's against the wall. I wanna come out fine. I'm gonna come out fine. I'm gonna let you know now that you're falling. And my back's against the wall. I wanna come out fine. I'm gonna come out fine.
There's a story in my veins with scars on every page. It's written on my face, I'm a born survivor. When I'm staring in the mirror, I'm not holding back the tears. All the hurt that brought me here only takes me higher. I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna let you know. Whoa.
I'm gonna let you know not ready to fall. And my back's against the wall. I wanna come out fine. I'm gonna come out fine. I'm gonna let you know not ready to fall. And my back's against the wall. I wanna come out fine. I'm gonna come out fine.
When the final bell has rung, if there's air inside my lungs, gonna pick myself back up. No, I
We'll do a flyover of that one. Man, that was so much fun. I had a ball doing those. Now that gold cell activator, if you want to see how it's made, it's video number 205. That shows you exactly what goes into it, how I make it, what the consistency is, and that's the result you get every time you use it. How good is it? Super, super cool. Alright guys, so up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. Click on the name and the title of the video, it'll take you to a channel. If you're in the live chat, use the link that I put in there, or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, use the play all list. It's the easiest way, that way you don't get lost. Alright, if you like that, hit like, share and subscribe, ring that notification bell, ding ding, that way you get to see all this crazy stuff as I release it. That's it from me, so have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.